Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable Shadowplay on Nvidia GT710 GT730 GT1030. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to close out the GeForce Experience and go to search menu and type GeForce Experience. Right click on it and select open file location. Right click on the GeForce Experience again and select open file location. Now you just need to scroll down and find NVIDIA Share.exe file. Just right click on it and select show more options. Select send to and select desktop create shortcut. And now just close it off here. Right click on the shortcut we created and select properties. Now check my video description for this text. Just to copy the text and in target you just need to go to the end of this letters and press in keyboard space and paste the text we copied. Just leave a space and paste the text and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to double click on the shortcut and you just need to wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute finish up, you just need to press in keyboard alt plus Z in your keyboard, and that's it guys. The Shadowplay will be open up and now you can record your videos over here. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.